your boy Trey.
And your girl Nay.
And I'm again.
And you're again. And you're here.
I'm here.
Yes, because he don't be in here like that, y'all.
I'm again.
You again what?
I don't know, it just sounded good.
Anyways, y'all, today we're going to be doing the cucumbers. Got the lemon rice. I know y'all can't see it because it's so white. But I'm going to do it like this. But yeah, got the cucumber sausage. And leftover Thanksgiving ham. With the beloved sauce and the sausages. So, I said cucumbers, right? I can't never remember y'all, but anyways.
Cucumbers.
So, yeah. Y'all, if you guys have ham left over from your Thanksgiving dinner, y'all should try it in the beloved sauce. So I was like, let me see. I want to try it. So I tried it, and I was like, oh, yeah, that's good. It's good right here. You didn't try it yet, so you don't know. So, yeah. Let's get into it. We got that little turn and tray.
Let's get it started.
Get your side.
Let's get it started.
You want to try it first? Well, happy Thanksgiving if we didn't say happy Thanksgiving the first
We
time.
didn't say happy Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, you guys.
No, you can use your spoon so you can put it on there like that. I have a headache, so I'm gonna use the sausage for the scoop it. Oh, I got rice up in there and stuff. Oh well, gotta go anyway. What it tastes like?
Not bad, not bad.
Yes, we are sharing the sauce because I ain't made enough. But it's cool to share.
She didn't want me in the video. I'm just She made enough just for her. I told her I'm a Bogart the video anyway. So she was like, it's okay, babe. You can be the share then. I'm just I'm capping, y'all.
And some people don't like the unsalted butter in their beloved sauce, but you can use the vegetable, what is it called? Vegetable oil butter? I'm gonna get it so y'all can see it come up. What you got, messy mouth? Can't see your mouth.
It wasn't. I was trying to clean my spoon.
You wanna get the butter? It's in the refrigerator, show you the pack. Yeah, yo. So, how was everybody's Thanksgiving? Mine was okay. I had to eat fast. And then my husband had to go to work. Girl, Emma. Well, this is what I use for my beloved sauce, y'all. It's vegetable oil spread. It don't make it salty. Or it don't make it bland. It makes it just right. So they're still butter, but they're just like little spreads. Yeah. You can get those for like 89 cents at Walmart. Poop, be right back, babe. Oh, my butter, some milk. No. You want some drink? Oh, what do you like? I forgot. What do you like? I forgot. What do you like? I forgot. I ain't editing this video because I always edit videos. I ain't editing nothing, y'all. You gonna get it raw. People getting up. You eat my cucumber. Oh.
Yep. Oops. I just spilled it on
It
the
don't
rice.
matter. It's fine. It's gonna be eaten anyway. And I don't even eat rice. I'm just gonna wave it up like this. So you can see you double dipping. Double dipping, oh, double dipping, oh. I can't just have too much ham though, because it gives me a headache.
More
Nope, just dip it in there. Fire. Where you get these from? Food City?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
I had to hand pick them.
I like this better. So yeah, y'all ain't seen Trey on here like that cause
I be at work.
he be at work. He work every day.
Like tonight.
Yeah,
I gotta
you
go to work
at
in
7.
Yep, like almost an hour.
So don't think he left me, y'all. He be working. And it's been raining out here, so I be scared. Cause that thunder out here ain't no joke. That lightning, it be like, boom, shake the whole apartment.
Me, it was raining so bad last night. I was sitting in the car, and it was like, whoa, 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 whoa. I was like, damn.
Oh yeah, you outside too. I'm in the house like scared.
I was like, shoot. Then it started raining, started throwing down. I was like, dang.
Yeah. Then we had a little altercation yesterday. Cause the kids like to keep bullying my kids and stuff. And I don't want nobody to bully my kids. I don't care if they follow me or watch me. I don't care who subscribes to me. If they don't say nothing to my face or come to me directly, like they want to get down. Oh, I'm sorry, I had to say it just like that, y'all. If nobody actually comes up to me like they want to get down to my face, they say the hell over there is that their business. You feel me? And a lot of hoes, be trying to talk to my husband. But we are married. Just because you don't see my ring, my finger is broke still. I ain't went to the doctor. I don't feel like it. It been broke for other month.
Nobody be trying to talk to me.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. So
He's capping.
I'm really not.
Tell me this. I'm outside. If you want to say shit to me, but yet talking to him, but see me right there, ain't gonna say nothing. That's disrespectful. That ain't my boyfriend. He's my husband. Check yourself on the video when I'm trying to tell you what I see myself. That's hot. I think I put too much pepper. The pepper flakes. Woo, y'all. I mean, I like love sauce. I don't want to, yeah, but I just want to try to get the spicy one. I think it sold out on Black Friday already. It didn't say it was out though, like when I went on the website. Anyway, so y'all should try that on your leftover ham. Just saying it's good. Or you.
I'm full already.
You
I
turkey
forgot I
leg.
did just eat that plate.
Well, bye. Oh, God. Eat it for you. I would gladly eat it for you. On my rice, I put the lemon and the, what is that?
What?
Put them flakes.
Parsley?
I think it was that. One of them flakes I
Oh,
put in
shoot.
there. I put spread lemon juice in there. I put it right on top. Now I flip it over. Lemon rice. Because I don't like rice like that. I like how it drip on the salt licks.
I'm full.
You ain't got something to eat, man.
I'm just gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat like this one more time.
I usually didn't eat these, but they good with love sauce and stuff. I had to give y'all a video because Trey was here. I was like, ooh, I got an idea. I'm gonna do the cucumber sausage and then Thanksgiving ham.
I'm gonna leave it too.
But you better go catch him. I told you this is not the video gone.
Damn.
Who leaving? Somebody else is put in here. Who is that? But yeah, y'all. We over here just trying to live life drama free. Who the hell is banging on my door? I told you I wasn't cutting nothing.
One of these damn kids does.
What?
Trying to pump our kids.
Where'd you go? Yo, this is so good. But I'm full. Patrick, what do you say? Mm-hmm.
Jeremiah something. That's Scooter.
If you don't teach your kids to fight back, they will get bullied. I don't want my kids to be bullied. You just dip your bitten off cucumber in there.
No, did I? Yeah, I did.
I'm good.
It's okay. Babe, nigga, you kiss me every fucking day.
Oh, that's nasty. I'm just playing.
What you talking about?
Where's you cussing on the video?
I cuss?
Yes.
What'd I say?
Effing.
Freaking.
No. You said the other word. I'm gonna delete that. I said I wouldn't edit nothing out, but I'm going to. Anything you want to talk about since you ain't been here for a minute? You ain't been on here for a minute?
I know.
Oh, he want me to grow my channel without his ass. I'm like, bye.
You can't leave me.
I know. I know. I made a lot of rice. I didn't think it was gonna be a lot. Woo. Yeah, that's hot. Yo, guys, I almost killed myself, y'all. Cause I was eating late at night, made a video. What did I make a video that day? No, I didn't make a video. I was eating late at night with love sauce. And I added too many peppercorns, little peppers. Then it went down the wrong pipe. I tried to drink water, juice, it did not go nowhere. So I had to make myself go, like, get sick. It did not want to go nowhere. Really? There you go. Y'all gotta be careful when y'all make the love sauce.
Wash my hands.
Cause it can kill you. Especially if you go down the wrong pipe. Whew. Oh yeah, I wanna thank everybody. I'm getting my watch hours up, all my subscribers, y'all, and the new subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I thank you for coming to our channel.
Showing some love.
Showing some love, like Trey said in the background. We really appreciate it. My hours is growing like dramatically, like, seriously. You was not asleep. You was not in no food coma. This is no food like But yeah, y'all, it's gonna be a little short, simple video. I mean, it ain't gonna be too long.
Short.
It is.
Still 15 minutes, dang near.
Boy, where?
Almost 13.
Boy.
Huh?
That's like 13.
So when you finish editing, I mean, putting your little touches to it, then it's gonna be.
Oh, somebody doing all that. Oh yeah, if anybody knows any programs to use, because I'm about to get me either a MacBook soon or any kind of cheap laptop, you know what I'm saying? Because I did find one on Lego and all that. So yeah, let me know what programs y'all use, because I need my editing game skills up. You heard? I'm trying to get like the Prince family and Carmen and Corey, shoot, Nikki King. Who else? Yeah, I gotta get like everybody. I'm trying to get like everybody. Babe, what the heck are you doing? I swear I gotta see what he doing in this camera, boy. Babe,
And buried.
but let me know in the comments below, or you can even hit me up on my Instagram. What's my Instagram? Name Trey. It's Name Trey. I keep changing the name, y'all.
She always changed it. Yes,
I
it's
changed the
Name
name. Yeah, it's Name Trey. I changed it again. So yeah, you can
Mine's a Saysomfnblakk. 2 Ks, no C.
Yeah, you can find his Instagram. Hit him up. DM him some ideas.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
pranks and whatnot.
Ideas, not trying to get at nobody. You know what I'm saying?
Pranks
Because
and
people don't
whatnot.
like that. That little thirsty thirst gets deleted and blocked. So yeah.
Yeah,
After that,
what she
being said,
said.
you guys, don't forget to let me know the programs y'all use. Cause we on this YouTube family together, this shut up, babe. You made me say tune. You made me say tune. This YouTube family, for real. Everybody on this YouTube thing for real. You heard? So therefore, y'all can help each other out, cause it's money on money for everybody. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be the first one to be notified. As soon as I hit that 2K, y'all, I'm gonna do a giveaway, cause I'm almost done. Yeah. So alright guys, love y'all. Peace and blessings. Trey without the dose. He ain't finna say nothing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all in the game. Stay blessed.